In this tutorial, we'll cover how to configure custom password settings and user portal session duration for your JumpCloud user accounts. In your JumpCloud administrator account, navigate to Security Management in the left-hand menu and then User Security Settings. Any settings configured here will apply to all user accounts within your JumpCloud organization. Here, you can secure user accounts by setting requirements for password length, complexity, originality, aging, and lockout. Be sure to enforce password complexity requirements that adhere to your organization's security policy standards and any applicable compliance standards. The option for Enabling Password Originality prevents users from including their username within their password. For aging password, you can enforce password history by denying the use of previous passwords. In this example, I've established that users cannot reuse any of their last 4 passwords. You can specify any number between 1 and 24 in this field. You can also set passwords to expire after X number of days. This number is set to 90 days by default. Note that when a user's password is about to expire, JumpCloud will automatically send an email to the user every day for 7 days leading up to the expiration, requesting that the user reset their password from their Windows or Mac password app or via the user portal. If you choose to require password reset on login for X days prior to password expiration, users will see the password change prompt and are required to reset their passwords when they log into the user portal for X number of days before their password expires. The default number is 10 days. Note that users on JumpCloud managed Mac systems are strongly encouraged to update their password from the JumpCloud Mac app to keep their JumpCloud password in sync with Keychain and FileVault on their Mac device. If passwords are changed from the user portal, a system restart is required to sync passwords between the user portal and the Mac device. Please use care when enabling this feature and educate your Mac users on the preferred password reset flows within your organization. One way to enhance the user experience for your users is to allow password change after expiration. This was once referred to as grace period and will allow for end users self-recovery after their password has expired. Another way to support both security and the user experience is to enable lockout settings. You can set the number of failed login attempts before a user becomes locked out. When the specified limit is reached, it will lock the account and send a notification email to all administrators for your JumpCloud organization. By enabling the option to unlock account after 10 minutes, JumpCloud will automatically unlock the account without administration intervention, and the user can reattempt to log in. By clicking Save Changes, your changes will take effect at your discretion. When increasing password complexity, you'll be asked when you'd like to enforce the changes, and an email notification will be sent to all administrators and end users notifying of this change. Users will be required to update their password by the specified date and time to meet the new password requirements. And if not updated in time, users may be locked out of their device until they create a new password that meets the new complexity requirements. In the User Portal Session Duration section, you can protect the user portal by customizing the amount of time after which idle user portal sessions will expire. After a session expires, users will be automatically logged out of the user portal and asked to log back in. Check out our other videos for configurations and settings that can secure your JumpCloud organization.